Iniwan niya ako kasi di daw niya ako maramdaman. Meron nga daw siyang jowa pero sa tawag lang naman. Ni hindi nga daw niya ako maipagmayabang sa mga kaibigan. Kasi jowa lang daw ako sa tawag pero hindi sa galawan. Hindi kasi ako yung tinatawag nilang romantiko. Pero sinusubukan ko namang ipakita sa kanya kung gaano ako kaseryoso. Di ko man siya kayang ihatid sundo, lagi naman ako nandito. Hindi man ako maaya at marigalo, lahat naman ng kailangan niya, ginagawa ko. Ako si Steven. Iniwan ng jowa dahil hindi daw ako marunong magmahal. Kailangan ba talagang magarbo ang tinatawag nilang language of love? My love, may mga lalaki talagang hindi sila sweet, hindi sila expressive, hindi sila showy. That is something na figure out ko myself. There are those people that would really exert effort to make you feel just how important you are to them. But there are those people na may kakaibang way of showing you, of telling you na mahal ka nila, na importante sila sa'yo. They may not be the kind of partners or boyfriends na susunduin ka or ihahatid ka sa office, na bibigyan ka ng flowers every Valentine's Day. Hindi sila yung tipo na mag-yayaya ng date every once in a while, na magpa-plot na mga vacation na sabihin na natin travel goals with you. May mga lalaki na hindi mahilig sa mga couple things or matchy-matchy things like matching outfits, ganyan, o kaya matching shoes. Hindi lahat ng lalaki ay okay sa PDA in public. Like for example, yung hug, yung holding hands, yung kisses. They don't feel comfortable about it. Tapos, may mga lalaki na hindi din matandain sa dates, sa anniversary, sa monthsary, pero that doesn't mean they don't love you. I do understand na those tiny things, those little things, it means to us girls a lot. Promise, it's a plus factor actually kapag yung mga lalaki ay sensitive sa ganong mga dates, sa mga ganong aspects of a relationship. Pero mind you girls, not because your guy, your boyfriend, your partner cannot do it for you, cannot do it to you, that doesn't mean they love you any less than those who can. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, may mga tao talagang hindi yun ang language of love. Maybe ang language of love nila is whenever you find yourself troubled when it comes to your gadgets dahil sila ay knowledgeable with it. Sila yung tipo ng taong you don't even need to ask for anything na upgrade or updates or kailangan gawin sa mga gadgets mo. They'll get right on it. Hindi man sila yung mga tipo ng taong ipagluluto ka ng pagkain, dadalin sa'yo na may matching flowers pa and good morning kisses sa forehead mo. Sila naman yung tipo ng taong kapag nasira yung bumbilya mo, walang dalawang sabi, papalitan nila yan. Kumbaga, they go fix things that you can't. Sila yung mga tipo ng tao na hindi ka man nila kayang bigyan ng mga magagandang postings whenever it's your birthday, pero sila yung tipo ng taong kapag naalala nilang bumili ng cake para sa'yo or videohan ka just because somebody is singing happy birthday to you, you should appreciate it. You wanna know why, my love? Kasi these people see you like nobody can. So kung meron silang mga little things na ginagawa for you, it's out of their comfort zone. They are doing it because they want to. They want to see you smile. They want you to know that you are appreciated. They want you to know that you are loved. So kung hindi sila expressive, hindi sila showy, hindi sila yung tipo ng taong vocal sa mga nararamdaman nila, alamin mo kung ano yung language of love nila. If they let you in on things that are sacred for them, like for example, meron silang lakad ng barkada and he wants to tag you along, or meron siyang game that he wants to play and he says, alam mo, meron ako nakitang game, pwede nating ma-enjoy dalawa. If he lets you in his world, that means he wants to share moments with you. Yun yung language of love niya. Maybe hindi siya ganun ka-romantic, maybe hindi siya ganun ka-sweet. But if you look closely, that's even better. Kasi some guys just want to make you smile. But this guy, he wants you to be a part of his world. And I think that is better. Believe me, my love. So first few months lang or years even, okay yung sweetness na yan. Diyan mo lang yan mararamdaman. Pero after 3 years siguro, what you want is consistency. What you want in a relationship is reliability. You want a sense of responsibility. And those guys na magaling sa umpisa, most of the times, sila tong garbo sa simula. Sila tong maraming tricks na pinapakita. Sila tong ino-overdo yung mga surprises. Pero once na kayo na, after 3 years, it will start to subside and you'll feel like, hindi niya na ba ako mahal? Hindi na ba ako ganun kaganda? Hindi na ba ako ganun ka-sexy? May nagbago ba? Parang nag-iba siya. Kasi you expected the same kind of treatment kung paano kayo nagsimula hanggang sa relationship nyo ngayon na parang hindi mo na makita kung sino yung lalaki before na nakapagpa-oo sa'yo nung tinanong kang, will you be my girlfriend? But with guys who are not really that expressive, pero sinushow sa'yo in ways he knows how much you mean to them. Yung paminsan-minsan nilang I love you. Yung mga once in a blue moon nilang pagsabi sa'yo na thank you for being there. Na it's gonna be a hard life without you near me. Yung mga nakakapagpakilabot sa'yo kasi alam mong minsan lang lumalabas sa mga bibig nila. Yun yung mga lalaking consistent. Hindi ka nila inattract with sweet nothings. They showed you on first day pa lang na sila yon. Ito ako. This is what I can and I cannot do. But one thing is for sure, when I say I love you, I really mean I love you. So my love, para po kay Steven, if iniwan ka ng girlfriend mo just because you are not the person he wants you to be or she wants you to be, that's fine, my love. Kasi if you want a person to love you want a person to love you for who you are, not for what they expect you'll become. Claro? Claro.